Now, once you open it, my medical team is here. Medical team can be here. Okay. Now I am assuming you have opened it. Once you open it, what is there inside? Now you take out the packet which you find inside. Only I am saying taking out. I am not asking anything else. Eating, tasting, no. Only taking out. Please be sure what I am saying, you are hearing the same thing. Every step is very, very meaningful. So please understand what I say and do as it is. Okay. So step 1, you opened it. Step 2, you are taking out the thing which is there inside. There are few packets. In one packet, it is written glucose. Glucose inside. Second packet, fructose. Fructose inside. Third packet, sucrose. Sucrose inside. Then aspartame, saccharin. All this together we call it as sugar. In a layman's term, glucose is also called sugar, fructose is also called sugar, sucrose is also called sugar. So all variety of sugar is now in your hand. Now, if I take the blood, listen very carefully. If I take the blood from your body and I add glucose inside it from that packet, do you think the reading in the glucometer will increase or it will remain the same? I take blood from your body. I take the glucose which is there in your packet. I take the glucose, put in the blood. Now if I check it through glucometer, the reading will increase or it will remain the same. How many of you say it will remain the same? How many of you say it will increase? Not sure. Okay, you're not sure. Okay. So this means we have to do it. Can we do it? Okay. So now you are going to take a blood from my body and you put, should I sit? Okay. Yahan baithna? Okay. So what I am doing now, I am taking the blood from my body and I have this glucose inside it. I'll put the blood, I'll put the sugar, the glucose in the blood. Before putting in the blood, I'll check the blood sugar. That is my normal blood sugar. Right? And when I'll check with the glucometer, the camera is there on the stage. The cameraman, can you come close so that you can zoom in who will zoom in? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Take it. Now the blood is out. Now we'll check what is my blood sugar reading. Please check the blood sugar reading. Yeah. No. Okay. I'll help myself. Take. What is the reading? Reading is 160. Can you see the reading? Okay. It is 160. Now, I put, what is this? First is glucose. Where is glucose? Where is glucose? Here it is glucose. Yeah, put it in the glucose. Now I am adding the blood to the glucose. Okay. Nikal raha? Sorry. Now I am adding. Take. Yeah. Now check the reading, what happens. It is high. High means beyond 500. So my normal sugar was 160 without adding. When I added glucose, it became more than 500. If I add fructose, the other sugar, which is more sweeter than glucose, what will happen? Let's see. Now add fructose. So in another packet, this here I have fructose inside it, along with the blood, and now see what happens. It became 109. 109. Can you see in the screen? Yeah. Can you zoom in, or should I come closer to the? So it is 109 now. Fructose. यहाँ पे है, देखिए तो. Great. Fructose is found in fruits. When you eat fruits in larger quantity, it reduces the blood sugar. If you are a diabetes patient, and if you promise that every day you will eat 1 kg of mango, or 1 dozen of banana, or grapes as much as you feel like, within few days, you cannot remain diabetes patient. You cannot remain diabetes patient. Dozen of banana or grapes as much as you feel like, within few days, you cannot remain diabetes patient. You cannot remain diabetes patient. The lie of 100 years, don't eat mango. Because they know, if they eat mango, they will be cured. And if they get cured, who will come to us? I have published my research paper on this.